everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy, and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. Today we are going to do the Walmart Beauty Box. Walmart is a seasonal subscription. It's not even a subscription, it's a sample box. You pay $5 for the shipping and everything else inside is free. So it's actually a really good deal. And I don't mind paying $5 for samples. So this is actually the spring box. It's not the summer box. It's the spring box. They just come really late. Some people didn't get their winter boxes till March, so that's how it is. So we will go, you do fill out a profile, and there's a classic and trendy. I believe mine's classic, but oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing we have is this Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. I've never used this dry shampoo. I'm not a big dry shampoo person, but I mean, in this, I don't know, I'll use it when it cools off and I can flat iron my hair. Next time I got the Pantene Intense Rescue Shot Treatment. Targets extreme damage. Oh, this is small. How to use. Dispense ample into hand and apply from mid-length to ends. So you only use on the end. So I could probably get, this could probably be 2 uses. I wonder how many they think it'll be, though. This will probably be like 2 uses for me if it's just mid-length. So I'll definitely give this a shot. I'm not a big Pantene fan, but I'll try it out. Next, you guys, this is actually a full-size product. This is Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit. This is a custom blend, 3 brow shade and 1 illuminating highlighter. So you get the 3 brow shades, the illuminating highlighter, if you can see, and then you get this highlight. Oh no, that's a wax pencil. Instead of having the dip wax, they have a wax pencil you can go over with afterwards. And then they have your spoolie and your eyebrow brush. So that's awesome. I've never used, I didn't even know Salon Perfect had like beauty products. I thought it was like nail clippers and tweezers and stuff like that. I didn't know they did this kind of stuff. So that's interesting. And that's full size. Tell us what you think about your Walmart beauty box in a brief survey by visiting, and you can win a $100 gift card. Okay, this is purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised vital blend with biotin. So this is just something you mix 1 serving with 8 ounces of water or beverage of your choice. I wonder if you could use Dr. Pepper, because I might actually drink it if you put in Dr. Pepper. But then it might ruin my Dr. Pepper for me forever, and then my life would be over. I'm addicted to Dr. Pepper. My name's Missy, and I'm a Dr. Pepper addict. I seriously, I'm like drink 4 or 5 a day. It's bad. And you take this once daily. I've heard of collagen supplements, so this is nothing new to me. Also, we have this Purified black charcoal mask for hydration and moisture. That's very interesting. So typically charcoal is for detoxification, not typically for hydration and moisture. So I love a good sheet mask. I will never say no to a good sheet mask. I love them. And these are at Walmart for $3. I know these are $2.99 for a fact. And then this is probably like $1.99, $1.29. So there's like your box right there. You also always get a bag. Last month's bag, I liked the bag itself, but the zipper was like an industrial zipper on like a makeup bag, and it was too hard to close, and then my tassel fell off like within a week. So I did like the bag itself, but not the zipper. This one is like the canvas, and then it has a good zipper on this one. So, and it has just the little Walmart logos right here, but it does look like it could be a flower. So another bag. We get makeup bags every month in our Ipsy bags, so it's like that's not exciting to us anymore. But again, this was just $5 and totally worth my money. I think all of this is well worth $5. It's probably going to be better than some of my subscriptions I get this month, honestly. So I really enjoyed this. Do you get the Walmart beauty box? I will leave a link down below in case you are interested, so you can sign up. Again, it's $5. It's quarterly. They email you before they bill you. so you don't have to worry about all that stuff. So you guys, please give this thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'll see you later. Bye!